students, how are you all? Well, this is grade 6, your English grammar book, and today we have to start a new chapter. Okay, we're going to learn about new chapter, which is on page number 29, chapter number 5, nouns, genders. So let's start reading from here. Put the words in the right column: male, female, and none. Okay, male, female, and none. Male is for the men, female is for the girls. Okay, and none is which do not belongs to male and female both. So this one you have to complete by your own. Okay, as you know, there are 4 genders in English language. How many genders we are going to learn today? 4: masculine, feminine, common, and neuter. So let's see the first one. A noun is said to be in the muscular gender noun if it refers to a male. For the males, we use masculine gender noun. We call it muscular gender noun. Like uncle, father, grandfather, son, king, nephew, lion are the masculine genders. For the feminine gender nouns, feminine is for females. Okay, M is for masculine and M is for males. Likewise, feminine is for females. F is for feminine and F is for females. So you can understand females are the girls, like aunt, mother, grandmother, daughter, queen, niece, and lioness are all the examples of feminine gender nouns. Okay, let's see the third one. What is the common gender noun? A noun is said to be in the common gender if it refers to a male or a female. Okay, there are some nouns which is used for female as well as for males. They are used for masculine as well as a feminine gender noun. So what kind of nouns are those? Let's see. Baby, they can be either a girl or a boy, child. This also can be a feminine gender noun or a masculine gender noun. Teacher, friend, announcer, tutor, companion, parents, person, player, cousin, neighbor, bird, pupil, chef, and students are the common gender nouns. So these all are the genders, these all are the nouns which are common gender nouns and which can be used for the masculine as well as feminine gender nouns. That is why it's called a common gender noun, which is common for feminine and masculine gender nouns both. Okay, masculine is for males, feminine is for females, and common gender noun is used for masculine and feminine both. Now let's see the fourth one and the last one kind of gender, which is neuter gender noun. So a noun is said to be in the neuter gender if it refers to a thing that is neither male or a female. Except all these 3 kinds, the another thing is neuter gender noun, which is neither for female nor for males. Usually nouns which refer to lifeless objects are neuter gender. The nouns which do not have any kind of life, the non-living things, can be neuter gender noun, like this pencil. So this pencil is neither a masculine gender noun nor a female gender noun nor a common gender noun. So it is called a neuter gender nouns. Okay, so let's see the examples, like book, pen, chair, wood, car, school, and gold are of the examples of neuter gender noun. So students, I hope that I have made you understand completely, but still if you have any kind of troubles of understanding this chapter, so you can go through it by your own. Okay, आपको एक बार खुद भी इसकी रीडिंग करनी है for your better comprehension. We'll be turning to some more nouns like masculine and female in the next turn. Till then you have to try to complete these 2 exercises. Okay, exercise A and B in your book only in your book you have to complete. Don't need to write down in your notebooks right now. In the next turn when I'll share the answers with you, then you can complete it in your notebooks also. So students, complete your work and have a nice day.